I'm Navdeep Deol. I'm Chair of the Board of Trustees of the National Park City Foundation and London National Park City. So today we've brought on board our latest round of rangers to join the fantastic community of rangers we have right across the city at the moment. We've had a great day meeting new people, talking to them about their own skills and interests, why they've joined the movement, what they want to get out of it, what they can contribute.
I'm Floree and I'm the Rangers Program and Community Manager. Today we've been running our Rangers Induction Day. It's our fourth one since we started the program, and we've been inviting our new volunteer rangers to come together, learn more about London National Park City and connect with each other and cross-pollinate.
Well, I always, whenever I do these events and meet the Rangers community or other volunteers with community groups within the space, there's always many inspiring stories of what people are doing, large and small, to make their city a better place. And just hearing those stories and realising that all of this activity is going on in the background, in the foreground, and seeing that the National Park City movement can bring that together and bring groups together so they can share ideas and skills and knowledge is just a fantastic opportunity. That for me is the most enjoyable aspect of the day. So the Rangers movement is absolutely essential. It's the foundation of the National Park City movement. I mean, London's a huge city, lots of boroughs, neighbourhoods. Many people don't go outside of those immediate areas that they live in. So the Rangers are our way of communicating and connecting to people all over the city and then connecting those parts of the city to each other. So from our perspective, the Rangers are an absolute essential, critical part of the movement, and we're delighted to see it growing at the level it is.